distance, yeah?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Great, thank you. And you?
Good, good, good. Did you have a good 3 hours?
Yeah, it was amazing.
What did you do?
More signals, more meetings. It's just great.
Yeah?
It's just great.
So market's been like, oh, good God, it really spiked just before we got here.
Yeah,
Wow, that's interesting, isn't it?
we had this spike and now it's retracing to the range again, but then dropped as well.
Yeah, so that was London closing at 12:41 and 12:39. Crazy times, right?
Yeah, big movement.
Interesting, really interesting. So yeah, I've been rushed off my feet, but only just made it back. And then we've got lots of stuff going on afterwards, but that's good. So did you trade or did you take any signals or anything?
Yeah, I was using the machine learning more than the signals now. That was great.
Okay.
Was great. And on the signals, as you can see, was great as well. We just had one stop loss.
Yes, I noticed that when I was traveling.
But other than that, we still making profits. Was great as well.
And that's the main thing, right? Well, that's what we're here for.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're here for. You know, if you can't make money, what's the point of that?
That's it.
Yeah. So no good. So I took a client call, somebody that said, look, I'm not doing very well. I'm looking at the signals, but I seem to lose money all the time. Then I had another message from one of our clients that on Friday they blew their account.
Yeah.
And I said, look, you know, this morning purposely I went through a trade. I purposely did the entry point, purposely did the stop loss. I purposely did the TP. I did it on 2 trades. And what I did was I walked you guys through it. So if any of you got any doubts about how to trade or how to follow the signals, that's the way to do it. It's a model entry by the side of your monitor, put a post-it, or have it imprinted on your forehead. I'll imprint it on my forehead so you can see it. Yeah? Take the trade.
We lost you, Grant.
Did you see
there
that?
You are again. Yeah.
That was like an action camera. Did you see it coming up? So you decided to engage. So which bit did we get to before I got cut off?
To post on your forehead, then we can see that.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is this, it's very, very simple, right? So there are only 3 steps. Take the trade, place your stop loss, place your TP, end. At that point, you can go and make yourself a cup of coffee. Right? You don't need to worry about the trade any longer. It's either going to hit stop loss or it's going to hit TP. Whether that's 1, 2, or 3 is totally up to you. Right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's all you have to do. If you can do that, you can trade and you can make money every day. Yeah? And that's it. I can't add anything to that. I can't make it any easier for anybody to do that. Okay, so whilst there's not many of us on, Mateus, I'd like you to do something. So you know when I do this kind of presentation part and you really like it?
Yeah.
Make a note of the time and take it out of here and send it to me. I edit that part.
Yeah.
And you think, that's really, make a note of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's what we're going to do from now on. That's how we're going to build content. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's what we're going to do all the time now. Yeah. Okay, so what was the last signal? Let's just have a little catch up. Yeah.
Yeah, we had the last signal is coming to TP1 all the time. Went to the range, TP1, 20 pips. Then again came back to the range, 40 pips and 60 pips. Everything on TP1s, as you can see.
We've hit 100% of TP1s today, haven't we?
Yeah, TP1s, apart from that stop loss, yes.
Brilliant. But stop losses and all the rest of it are all part of the game.
Yeah.
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 And that's the only way that we can describe this thing. Just going to look at your message, if it's still valid.
I don't think so. No, I'm not logging now as well.
Okay, no problem. That's fine. Yeah, I've got it. But we just need a bit of warning. So, but now I was just out. I had a doctor's appointment, a routine thing in the middle, and a few bits to do. So, just managed to rush back in and join the live, right? But that's what got you into trading, and what is it that you like about it?
It's the freedom that gives you, and I have the entrepreneur mindset. I don't want to work for anyone, and that was the key. I had some business on the past and make some money, lost some money, but trading is easy. It's everything on your hands. It's on your control. You don't need to depend on anyone. The business is really simple.
Okay. Is that what you really like?
Yeah, and I always liked investment, and then trading was the easy access to it.
Yeah, that's true. It's true.
Yeah.
But it's interesting now, right? Because I talk about that quite a lot, that in our algo trading system, the account is in your name, your money's in your control. No, you're not handing over money to anybody else. And you can be bagging like 14, 15% without doing a thing.
Yeah.
What else do you want?
Yeah.
You can keep questioning it, you can keep working on it, but does it really matter in terms of just forever? Like, I think this camera is just to one side, one angle. Like, look at my bookshelf. Like, looks like I'm on the Titanic leaning over. Look. It does that quite well, but it can't straighten its shit out, right? Look.
Put the level up. Yeah.
Look, see what I mean? Like, I look like that. Now my bookshelf is straight, but my head is bent.
Now it's okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's interesting, isn't it? Because people kind of are so used to what the banks and what the institutions tell them, and of course, I don't blame them, because they're brought up with that, and the system's designed that that's what people do.
Yeah.
But something, I love what we're doing at the moment. I know you just changed the background as I said that. Just put it back to where it was.
Okay. I was getting confused with the letters.
We let money work for us. How good is that?
We let money work for us. Yeah.
How good is that, right? We let money work for us. And that's the thing about life and what we're doing at this moment in time.
I'm working with some backgrounds, but then I just saw that it's just the letters appearing there on the background. Then it's not. I don't know.
Well, our usual accomplice is having some lunch or some cake. It's her birthday today, so call once not here, which is lovely. And she had some profitable trades. Did she say she lost a little bit of money on Friday, but that's because she was out and couldn't trade properly?
Yeah, that's it. I think so.
Yeah.
That is the only day she lost money trading with us live.
Yeah.
That's good to hear as well, because if you don't have time, don't keep rushing. Just leave the trade alone for the day.
You know something, I've been at this for 5-6 years now. And if something's going on in our lives, we just have the day off. Because you'd take the day off work, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Right? If you were employed, you'd book a holiday that day. So there's no reason to keep beating yourself up about it. Take the time off.
Yeah.
It's not difficult.
Absolutely.
So I've got a trade that's hovering around at break even and just below, just above, which is interesting. But I do think the market's going to rise, and we've hit TP3 at 6. We haven't hit 63. Sorry, my apologies. I was thinking about the last trade. We've hit TP1. The TP3 is at 63, which is 120 odd pips from where I am. So I think as usual, I might target TP2, which is 58.
Yeah, but that signal was great because came back to the range. You can re-enter if you didn't book profit, and you have opportunity to take TP1 3 times.
Well, it gave us another chance, didn't it?
Yeah.
It gave us another chance to, enter the trade, take it, and make money.
Yeah.
It's brilliant. I'm really, really, really enjoying trading at the moment.
And this just make that mechanical approach like you telling us on the beginning of the session now.
Yeah, sorry. Some nonsense. Just that's what you can do, Tess,
Yeah.
Right? At the end of the day, what you need to do, you need to work out a solution for yourself and make it as easy as possible.
Yeah.
I think the problem is that people kind of fight that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whereas they could actually sit down and make life easy. Because I just want to follow a system where I can trade and and do the same thing over and over and over and be profitable.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I took 3 trades last night, profitable. Closed out a trade this morning from the result of last night, profitable. Took a couple of signals, profitable.
Yeah.
So I want to hear from people that have problems achieving that. So what is it that, if you're having issues with trading and with, profitability, what are those issues? I'd love to hear that. Where is the entry? Vipul Patel. Not heard that name. Hey Vipul, how you doing? Where is the entry? Well, are you in our Telegram group? Just answer that for me, Vipul. And if you are, then I can point to you where the entry is. If you're not, then you need to get in because that's where the entry sits. And that's where everything that we do sits in our Telegram group now. Okay. I hope that makes sense because that's where we're at. Okay, I'm just adjusting this amazing camera that you look. See what I mean? Look at that. Look like I'm on a ship.
It's moving, yeah.
Look at it. So yeah, where is sorry, where's the entry? So if you're with in our group, then the entry's there. If you're not, then you won't see it anywhere. Right? You need to join our community, and it's free. So there's no reason why you shouldn't join. And you get to spend time with us every day, trading, learning, making money. And I said trading, learning, making money. Making money should come much lower because you learn a different lifestyle. You actually learn, about making money in a completely different way. That's really foreign to most people. It was very foreign to me quite a while ago. So my background is in financial services. So I was so used to, achieving 2, 3, 4, 5% a year for myself and my clients. And that didn't really work. It doesn't work for anybody, by the way, right? It doesn't work for anybody. But that's where that industry is. So, there are so many alternatives, and this is just one of them. There are other things that you can go and do, and it just depends how much interest you have in your own financial future. Nothing else really. How motivated you are to make money on your terms, not at the behest of an employer. So that's where we kind of are. Just going to check a few things. So Matthias, if you want to just walk our guys through stuff.
Yep. As you can see, guys, last signal is doing great. Came back to the range again, but we nearly reached TP2 on that one and many times TP1. That means don't keep chasing, just book some profits as well. That is not always like that, coming on the range and going back, come on the range and going back. At some point it will break through, can go to stop loss. You don't want to leave money on the table. Just keep booking profits.
It's not a bad occupation to have, is it? Just keep booking profits.
What
do you think of this?
Not at all.
It's not a bad job to have, is it?
No.
What I do, I make money all day. And I do what Matthias tells me, which is book profits all day.
That's it.
No, it's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. In terms of where we are with all of that. Look, he's doing it again. I need to move my chair. What do you think? It looks like our lopsided bookshelf.
It's on the level now, for now.
I know. I've jimmied myself across. That's good. We're just getting going, guys. We're just learning. The presentation skills of this thing are the why we're here. I've got a man called Marco Faberto that says hello to me about 20 times on LinkedIn every day that we're live. Find it really weird. Marco, tell me what you want, brother. I don't know what I'm going to do for you.
And if you are using the machine learning, if you have any doubts, let us know as well. We can guide you through that. But it's simple as that. It's simple as press refresh button. And then you decide which time frame you want to use, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. And then you just keep refreshing. If the parameters are green on the top or more than 70%, that is perfect for you to enter. And you do on the same way. Book some profits, move your stop loss to break even, and keep doing the same way. Apply the same strategy.
Yeah, 100%. It's really interesting call this morning, after we did all the little message that I said, it's a virtual trader, and it's like, you know what, Cam, it's more of a formula now, not a strategy. Yeah. And I think that's important. inevitably we hit stop losses, and we've hit one today. But we've probably had about 20, 25 successful trades other than that. So, it's not a big thing to lose a little bit of money every now and again. The thing is, you'll be winning 70, 80, 90% of the time if you work with us. And that's not always the case, right? The other thing is, you're paying subscriptions for other things. Right? There's like $250, $300, $400 a month to pay just to get this. Yeah, and then somebody calls smart charts or some nonsense that they've just relabeled all these indicators. And you're paying like 80, 90 pounds a month. Ridiculous.
Absolutely, yeah. I have been paying that.
I know. Absolutely. So a few more of you have joined. So we had a signal at 12:52. We're still working on that. We've hit TP1. It's come back into range. We've hit 20 pips. We've hit 40 pips. We've hit 60 pips. We've hit 90 pips. Yeah. So you could have had any amount of profit on that particular trade. That's the way we work. So we'll get the chart up. Let me just add that, and then I can maybe a little bit more relevance too. So there goes the market. That's the, let me just take that. So that's the 1 minute chart. We're in the New York session. So we're looking from that trade at 12:52 for TP2, TP3, or stop loss, whichever comes first. So we've done 20 pips, we've done 40 pips, we've done 60 pips, we've done 90 pips on that particular trade. Where are you guys at? Whoever's on today, where are you at?
And it looks like it's going to TP1 again. Yeah.
So it bounces around market. Nobody knows where the market is or where it's going. The only thing that we know is we use a mechanical system which tells us where the market should be going. It's called nobody can guarantee any of that. That's the nature of the beast. So TP1, 80 pips again.
Yeah.
A lot of money to be made on a day-to-day basis. Just wanted to give us a bit more screen in terms of where we are.
Yeah.
Let's move this around.
Oh, your camera is out again, Cam. There you are.
Could you still hear me?
No.
Okay. So what I was saying was the market, when I did that, squashed up the chart for you. So look, see where it's been? Yeah, so it's been around here. It's done a little spike there back to where this was, but nowhere near where the peaks are. So if you look at this one.
Well done, Ian. He took some
nice
profits there.
Yeah, put it on the screen. One nice one. We had a chat earlier today. So it's kind of here. It's done that recently, and it's done that. So we're looking for it to do that or that, which really doesn't really matter to us. But look where it's come from. Look at that.
All the way. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's your 1 minute candle. That's what it's been doing.
He's on that range again, isn't it? We just need to be patient and booking profits. That's it.
It's kind of been here since early March, as our trader said today. Not really doing anything, but there's still plenty of money to be made and lost. Yeah. So, there's money on the table, and it's your job to take it off.
At TP1 again, 54.
Yeah, so we're buying on our algo system. 53. So best entry at 50. Okay entry at 48. 56, 57, 60, 62, 66, TP 45. So all the see what happens is when you do things like smart charts and when you do indicators, they're historical calculators of what has been going on in the market on the day or in the morning or in that hour session, depending on the sections that you're in. So they just track the market basically. They can tell you where the market's coming from, but none of them can tell you where the market's going. And I think that's the big difference between what we're doing. We're telling you or informing you of where the market is going to go. Yeah, where you should be trading. So I'm in a buy, Mateus is in a buy. I hope most of you guys are in a buy of some sort, because both of my systems are telling me that it's a buying time. Yeah, but at this moment in time in the market, you need to be in a buy. Whether you make 20 pips, 200 pips, 2,000 pips is up to you. What systems have you got? What are you doing? How do you keep in that? So that's where we're at. Market's coming back a little. And remember, if our stop loss and our take profit are set, we don't care what happens to this trade. We gave the authority to the system to trade it effectively. So we said, if it hits this, get rid of it. If it hits this, get rid of it. And there's only two outcomes you can have. You can make money or lose money. You know what? Don't get emotional about it. Because that's the worst thing that can happen. You can't really trade emotionally. You kind of shut down and it doesn't work. Is that a fair comment, Mateus?
Absolutely. Spot on. I'm just refreshing again, 5 minutes. Is within some limits, but even though TP1 is 70% and it's really fast as well, it's easy to get in, get out.
Okay, so let's see how long it meanders here for, or what it does here now, right?
Yeah. We're on that 53, 54, and it's coming back to 47 at some point, but it's on creating that small range. But at some point we'll go up or we go down. We don't care. That's why you need to have your stop loss, your B, break even, and booking your profits.
Yeah, 100%.
And doing like that, you're not getting stuck on the same trading for a long time. That's the best thing as well. See. It's pushing a little bit more. Let's see if we go for TP2. But like I said, book your profits, no emotions, move your stop loss to break even, and that's it.
Oh God, that hit TP2 in an instant.
TP2, as you can see.
Yeah, straight up.
Amazing.
Yeah, I only noticed that because my trade suddenly closed. I thought, oh, God. That is how it's done.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, keep it simple. Yeah, that's how it's done. And it doesn't matter now. To me, it doesn't matter where it goes. If you're waiting for TP3, brilliant. Wait for it. Your break even should be at TP1 now. Now you can't lose any money. You will make money. So this morning, I walked you through a trade. I was at TP1, waiting for TP3, didn't hit, took me out to TP1. Didn't matter. Made money.
It's still money there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
61. Okay, yeah, TP2 hit 120 pips. Yes, we know. Because I got that. TP3 yet?
TP3 was
63.
As you can see, sometimes on your graphic or your MetaTrader 5 will be not there at 63 at TP3 exactly, but then the way that we are updating on the signals, that means it's a heads up for you to book a profit as well.
Definitely.
Don't wait for that.
Okay. If you guys excuse me for a couple of minutes.
Yeah. As you can see, the market came to TP3 and is ranging on that area now. And the main thing you need to do is keeping book profits. Don't leave money there. That signal was so easy to take because we had plenty of time to take TP1 3 or 4 times, and then at the end of that went to TP2, TP3. That is just the power of patience as well, moving stop loss to break even and re-enter the trade. If it's not reaching TP2 or stop loss, you can re-enter as well. I don't recommend you to keep chasing the same signal over and over. Sometimes works really well, like that one, but sometimes can go to stop loss as well. You need to be mindful of that. And the same thing you do once, keep doing the same thing over and over again. If you re-enter, do it. If you don't do it, okay? Don't keep chasing the market. That can put you in danger as well. The best thing, if you book some profits, wait for the next signal. If you want to re-enter, just be mindful. Move your stop loss straight away to break even, and then you will be absolutely fine. But just keep doing over and over the same thing. If you have any questions, please do let me know. If you start to generate your own signals with the machine learning as well, please do let me know how you're getting on. If you have any questions regarding to that, we are here to support you as well. We have been nearly 67 on the day already. That means the market could push on that area as well. If you're still holding, just make sure you move your stop loss to break even, then you can hold to 67, 70. If you already book your profits, it's absolutely fine to do that. Because then you don't have any attachment with your trading now. And that's the way to be.
Absolutely. Am I back with you?
Amazing. The markets is still pushing.
Yeah.
I was telling everyone, if you book your profits, if you move your stop loss to break even or TP1, TP2, now you don't care. That market can go to 70, 67 easily today because we have been there already. And then you can book more profits.
The reality is nobody has any idea as to where the market's going.
Yeah.
You can pretend, you can do whatever you like, you can read all the charts in the world. Nobody knows. The market's the market. We're not on the inside of the market, we're on the outside. 66.
As you can see, all-time high again.
No, daily high, not the all-time high.
Daily high, yeah. Not all-time high, no. If it's all-time high, we'll be seeing 57 plus. And now is the time to book more profits, move your stop loss. If you want to keep one runner, you can keep the runner. It's absolutely up to you.
That's me opening my post, by the way.
I'm sorry?
That's me opening my post.
200 pips.
Brilliant.
From 48 to 68.
I'm just going to give you the 5 minutes. A little bit bigger view, so ranged all the way down there. At 12:30, did these 3 candles, 15 minutes into a new range, and now is it heading for a higher and newer range? Yeah. And then let's have a look at the hours. So really the market hit rock bottom in this little sector at 1 o'clock this morning, or between 12 and 1, then started climbing. It's been climbing ever since. Got a couple of little, and that's what happened. But look at this big hour of buying, just above the pivot point. In another 50 pips, and then we could be off to the races in terms of buying again. Day showed you that this morning. Was selling yesterday, day before, buying. So is it going to do this arch again, or is it going to do that arch? Nobody knows. We don't really care. All we care about is price action, and the market can take us wherever we want it to take us. You can make as much money, or you can lose as much money in this market as you like.
I'm loving the machine learning. I just keep booking profits.
That's what it's about, Matthias.
It is.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. That's incredible.
72. And 73.
This could be a really interesting day because it's only 1:45. New York could take this to 46 and beyond.
Yeah, because we just broke that all-time high for the day, and
yeah. So the market is doing its thing, and we're doing our thing.
that's it.
And what we're doing is extracting profits. And we try and do that every day. Okay?
And if you're still holding the last signal, you're making a very good profit.
Yeah.
But
You'd have smashed it today, wouldn't you?
don't have FOMO or anything. If you miss any signal, don't worry. Will be more signals, and you'll be able to join those signals. 74. I just book another profit with the machine learning. Come on, guys, don't be shy. You're gonna interact with us here. Let us know how you're doing on the day, how you did on the signals today so far. I think so was amazing all day long between the two systems that we have. Just let us know how you're doing. And if you need any clarification, any support, let us know as well.
So 4,500 up, or around, is a very interesting point in the market. Because it could very easily come down $1,000, it could very easily go up $1,000. And it's been to both. It's been to 53, 54, whatever it was. And it's certainly been to 35. So, two schools of thought. So when you're placing those runners, be careful. Or, don't be greedy. When you've got some money, take it off the table. So I had a couple of stop losses today. Both of them are now should be covered. Should be at more than break even. I wasn't in any of them as I was busy with other things. So just give you a little summary of where I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Oh, it's just waiting to catch up. 5. 7 profitable trades today. No losses. Absolutely beautiful. Great trading, but careful trading. Disciplined trading. And the money really doesn't matter how much you make. If you're profitable every day, you're going to be a very rich person in the not too distant future. Money's money, my friend. So all profit is positive, not positive, Ian. So,
that's it.
Yeah. And I know that Ian won't mind me saying that he was just saying that it doesn't really have the time at the moment, so life is a little bit hectic to sit down and trade and make money. And I was just saying, look, I had a similar kind of thing a few months ago. Prepare for a buy. So let's take on the trade and then we'll go from there. There you go, you have it now.
Put your first entry when it's on the range. Put your stop loss. Don't need to rush. Don't need to fear the trading as well. Just place it.
So it's in the range, just about, depending on your chart. I got in. Just one trade. Okay, stop loss set, TP. Set. So our first goal is to move our stop loss to our break-even point. You set your TP, you take the trade, you set your TP, you set your stop loss, sorry. Set your TP. I've set mine to 3. Stop loss is set. So now the idea is to move the stop loss to break even as quickly as possible. Then we can't get taken out. We can't lose any money. Okay?
That's the key, yeah.
Yeah. 66 is TP1.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say you could have had that by now.
Yeah.
I've seen that online. Should all be in profit on that trade.
The price came back. And let's push up again. Let's see.
Mm. Right. If you didn't close out and take TP1, you should be in profit again now, even if
Yeah.
you're at the top of the range. And I was at the top of the range because I generally tend to press the button if I'm going to take a trade. If I'm not going to take it, then I just sit it out. Decision's already made. Am I taking it? Yes. Press the button.
Yeah.
Don't hesitate.
And make it that mechanical approach that we're saying. If you see prepare to buy and the market is going up, you can press the button straight away. You don't need to keep waiting. And when you see the range, if you enter on the range, just book the profits.
Money loves speed.
Yeah. Especially the way we are trading is very fast. Sometimes you need to be fast as well. TP1 again, yeah.
Mm.
And doesn't look like a lot, but 20 pips, 20 pips, 20 pips. It's 60 pips already.
I'm at 60 pips now. Yeah,
As you can-
70, 80 pips, 90 pips.
Yep, TP2.
Yeah, there you go.
Please book your profits.
Yeah, TP2 hit.
TP2.
Beautiful. Even more beautiful. Does it go beyond?
Let's see.
TP3 5. It's hit 74.63 already.
Yeah, went to 74 before.
Mm. So is it going to push through? So by now,
Yeah, it's pushing.
your stop loss should be at TP1. If you haven't taken that trade, I totally forgot to move my stop loss. So I've just moved that to 66. So you've got at least TP1.
You're welcome, Ian. I'm glad you're taking the profits. Well done.
Beautiful. You see there, you see, this is the magic. Ian and I had a conversation in the break. That me, TP3 hit.
Yeah.
75 done. Done. Come on, Mateus. You're too slow. Give us the clap.
Big clap now.
120 pips. That's exactly what I got out of that trade.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Well done.
And you know what we've done today? Yeah, sniper entry, TP3 trade. I'm going to give him a fire emoji for that. Thank you so much, the trader. Right. See, once you start, and I'm on the same journey as you guys, I just might be a little bit further along than you, maybe a little bit behind some of you, and Mateus is the same. And once we start the discipline, once it's mechanical, once it's like no longer emotional, then two things happen. A, it becomes really easy, and B, there's no stress, no anxiety. Corwant said it this morning. Yeah, so every trade I've taken today, zero anxiety. Yes, during the time when it pulls back, it hovers around your break even. And if that's uncomfortable, your lot size is too big.
Yeah.
Okay? If that's uncomfortable for you, your lot size is too big. Bring it down. And if it's 0.01, so be it. Look at that now. Yeah? So you'd lost 100 pips, you'd have lost off that trade.
Yeah.
You just sat around. If you didn't know what you were doing and greed took over you, you would have lost all that profit.
And that's why we keep talking about booking your profits, because we have been there. We have been waiting for TP 4, 5, 6 and plus. And
TP 500.
And doesn't work like that. Doesn't work like that. It's better take what you have on your hand, and then you don't exposure yourself. You booking profits, you don't exposure yourself. You exposure yourself when you're waiting for TP 100 or 500, like was saying, and then suddenly the price drops. Let's say we are buying, and suddenly the price will drop and take you out of the trades on break even, and you didn't book any profit. If it's break even, okay, that's okay. That does not hurts a lot. But if you not put break even, if you keep the stop loss and hoping for TP3, TP4, don't hope. Do the mechanical approach. Do whatever you do over and over and over, and keep booking the profits. That is the key.
So mindset and action. Have the right mindset, take the right correct action.
Yeah.
And you're done. Yeah. There's nothing to be worried about. There's nothing to be afraid of. So he's rise right back. It's 110, 120 pips off the high there. Will it create it again? May need to come back and pick up some liquidity and go again. Might go to the bottom of the range. So where's the bottom of the range? Let's have a look. So we had 44.80, 45.76. So we've just about done 1,000 pips. Yeah. 1,000 pips is $100 of movement for the day, which is obscene. Used to be $25 a day, right? Daily moving average was like $25. Now this is a small movement on a day like today. So that's the world we live in, and things change. And this is why a lot of algorithmic automated systems fail, because the market changes. They work for a while, then they don't. Yeah. But we've got one that's in its 26th month now. Yeah, 2 years and 3 months. Never had 2 years, 2 months. But beg your pardon. And we haven't had a single losing month. I'm very little drawback. But that's safety, right? It's built for long term. So here we go. Let's set an all-time high for today and displace the one that we've just done. I think it could.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it could very easily. If you look at what the hour's doing, this is a selling hour, which is really strange. I didn't think it would be, but look at that. It's hit that. Yeah, 4,500, and it's now almost $200 above that. No, sorry, almost $70 above that. Yeah, 44.80. Oh, it's 44.80. Yeah, $100 there. So we're here. So it could go all the way and do all of this stuff. We could do, which is $4,700. So this is the one. Yeah, stalled talks between the Iranians and the Americans continue to fuel inflation concerns, push gold beyond and bond yields. Yeah. So European gold futures, this is gold to be delivered at a later time, are 0.3 down. And that's usually a good indicator of price where the futures are, as to where it's going to go. So lo and behold, it's 45.49. Where is it? Just above that. Yeah. So it may correct down to that. And then this little monster here is the other key, is the dollar. It's been climbing, gold's going down, it's going down, so gold's been going up. So that's where we are on the hour. And there's our preferred times that we trade, which is a minute. So it's now come to the bottom of this little bit here. Will it come to here, or will it go back up? Our trader knows, so we'll get a signal accordingly.
That's it.
We don't have to worry about that, by the way. So if you were sat here on your own, you'll be worried now with the charts. Where's it going? What am I going to do? Is it coming down? Is it going up? And you'll be looking at your indicators and making those decisions. Okay. Results. Currency. And you know, we just sit, we watch, and we wait for the opportunity.
And
there
we
it comes.
prepare to buy.
Okay, I'm in. A bit high. Got better entry now. So TP3 74. Going for that. Stop losses in.
I was on that trade already because I was copying one from the machine learning. I got a better entry on that one, but if you didn't, don't rush. It's absolutely fine.
Lean into this stuff. Rising beautifully now.
Yeah. TP2.
Yeah, I was going to say TP1's done. TP2's in sight. There you go. Okay. I don't know why he doesn't want to update or count on this trade.
Because we have been nearly on TP1 when he sends the signal.
Ah, okay. What that means is we won't be counting it in the stats at the end of the day or end of the week. We won't be saying this was a positive trade or a negative trade. You could have had your money out and profit. I'm in profit. Just a bit of transparency for you guys.
And sometimes I will enter on prepare to buy, and when the signal comes and is already on TP1 or nearly TP2, the things I will do is just book my profits, and that's it.
Trade's coming back. Heading towards TP2 again. Going back to TP1.
Yeah.
So if you set your stop loss to TP1, you may have been taken out then, depending on your broker and spread and all that kind of stuff. Because we all have slightly different prices. So still hovering above TP1.
Yeah, if you still on the trade, guys, you book some profits. That's the main thing to do, because we already reached TP2. That means don't keep chasing that trade anymore. If you're still there, it's okay, but if you not copying that signal, just wait for the next one. Of course, the price can come back to entry point and go up again, but we have the rules: stop loss or TP2, and we reached TP2 already.
So into the last 40 minutes of our session now. Hope you're trading well. Ian's reported good trading today. Petra reported good trading. Colwan reported good trading for the day. Good means profitable. I'm in a nice profitable position. Nothing crazy. It's not been that kind of market. We don't need crazy. We need slow and steady.
That's it. That's the key. Pushing again to TP2. The 69.
So that's TP2 hit there. Going back off it a little bit now. So let's see what happens. It loves hanging around TP2s, doesn't it, today?
Yeah.
It was doing that earlier today.
But it's good. It's good to see a lot of TP2s on the day as well. We had some TP3s, but then give you the more profits if you're with runners. But for beginners, I think TP1 is a good approach.
Small account, TP1, can't go wrong.
Yeah. He's
And
breaking
you're getting
now.
in practice, aren't you? You're getting practice. Well, thank you.
Yeah,
You're getting practice in, aren't you?
that's it. I think so. That's why 1, 2 entries, TP1. Thank you very much.
Mm.
And then when you're a beginner, you get used to it, then you can start to go for TP2s,
Yeah.
moving stop loss, those kind of things. But make it simple, especially on the beginning. And keep making it simple, but then it's not over complicated, but it then is approaching the market in another way, taking more of it.
100%. So I'm looking for 74. Just about done that, but not quite. 71, 72 now. There she goes.
It's
73.
going to TP3, yeah.
Yeah, 73. Come back a little bit. Come on then. Let's push through it. Another 10, 15 pips.
Nearly there, nearly there.
I know.
Let me put a drum for you. It's going there. It's 73.
That's it. Done. Thank you. TP3. Now you can do the drum roll.
Massive
Or
one.
whatever else you want to do.
Amazing.
Yeah. Take a little few minutes break.
Yeah. Let me know, guys, if you had time to take the last signal and if you reach all those profits, or at least some of it. Don't have the FOMO to go to GP3 or GP2, especially if you're starting now. Don't have the FOMO to book more and more and more. The most important thing is to book the profits, to learn how to do it. When you learn how to do it, then you can go to the next step later on. First step, profits are there, you book it, then you will be able to do more things in the future. Hold for TP2s, TP3s. But for now, if you can learn how to take TP1, move stop loss to break even, or just take the TP1 when manually, or putting the TP1 there, that's absolutely fine. And over time, when you learn more and more, you can go for TP2, TP3, and that doesn't take longer, guys. It's not a long journey to learn how to copy the signals. It's very simple. If you make that mechanical approach, it's very simple. Don't overcomplicate, make it simple. Learn how to move with stop loss. Learn how to take the profits, and don't leave money there. If you see it's blue, nice profits, take it. And keep doing that over and over. And now with machine learning, you can generate your signals, is amazing. But have the same approach with that as well. We have the guide where you can take your profits and things like that, and how is the percentage needs to be in order for you to take the profits. That's a good approach as well. But then just be mindful of booking profits, okay? And moving your stop loss to break even. If you keep doing that, you will be absolutely fine. As well, retracement here around 100 retracement, and it's coming back to that area again, and we break that 74 already. We went to 76. The TP3 was 75, 74, yeah, 74. That means we're just waiting for the next signal now, okay? If you want to generate your signal, you can go to the machine learning while we are waiting, and you can try that as well. And then you can see the results. You can see if you generate on the 5 minutes or 50 minutes, make sure everything is above 70%. Direction confidence, overall setup, and machine learning. If all that is more than 70%, you can go for it. And putting in stop loss as well, please.
Yeah, the fundamentals never change. Stop loss,
Yeah.
TP, always.
Yeah. As you can see, came down all the way, pushing back again, around 100 pips. More than that, 78.
Mm.
if you don't over leverage, you can keep entering on the market all the time. If you don't over leverage, if you're using the right lot size, you'll be able to keep taking all those signals, be able to keep generating new signals as well, and then you just keep booking the profits.
Look at that.
Amazing. Those are the runners updatings now. It's coming.
Mm.
$75, but we nearly reach 80. Nearly. As few pipettes from reaching 45.80.
Quite incredible, right? So let's look at it in a little bit more context. Look at those hours buying. And it's done all of this. It could quite easily do that, could do that. Back to the 4700s again. Not difficult from here. So it's on the daily pivot point. So it could go all the way up now. Or it could decide to do whatever it wants to do, but we don't really care. So easing back off the day's highs. 45.79s, almost 4600.
Slowly we are coming back again, coming up again. But like Khan is saying, look, keep it simple, look the signals, place your trade and manage your trade. And you know what to do. You need to put stop loss first and go for TPs, book your profit. As soon as you book some profits, if you want to take all the profits on TP1, do it all the time. If you want to wait for TP2, move your stop loss to break even and keep doing that over and over. It's simple, guys, but you just need to keep mechanical.
Okay, here she goes. About 20 minutes to end our live session today. I hope you guys that joined us today have had a profitable session. It's the main thing for us is, are you making and booking profits? Because making profits is one thing, keeping them is another. And so many traders just give it all up for one ridiculous move that they make, that they don't see, that they don't appreciate. Just don't do anything about it in terms of the positivity or lose their discipline. And you don't need to be doing that. You just need to be boring, vanilla, follow the plan and become rich over time. Posted up this morning, Matthias, why do you keep failing as a trader? What do you think people keep failing as a trader?
It's the mindset, isn't it? It's being greedy, want everything in, getting rich quick scheme, Most of people, they don't have the patience in order to achieve that, because you need to have that patience.
Yeah.
It's easy to get tempted to raise your lot size.
Yeah.
Your risk on that case is the risk, isn't it? The lot size. And then it's like keep holding trades, don't use the stop loss. Lack of discipline, because I think so that everything comes back to discipline. If you have the discipline, if you know what you need to do and you have the discipline, you will keep doing that. But then if you keep changing strategies, if you keep changing lot size, chasing the market, FOMO, a lot of small things, but the main thing we can put all together will be lack of discipline, because then if you have the mindset, you will not do that because you know the potential of it.
Yeah, every time, right?
Every time. When we get in trouble, is when we place more trades than we should be placing, when we chasing some losses. Oh, I lost, then you keep chasing it. That is not good as well. But as you can see, patience is the key. It's going up all the way again. I was looking on the
Mhm.
machine learning now because we don't have any signal, but that went straight away to GP1 for me.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have any questions, guys, about anything, use those lives to ask those questions. If you
Mm-hmm.
want a one-to-one with us, just let us know as well. Anything to help you on your journey, we are here to support you. If you have any questions about the machine learning as well, we're just launching today. Hope so you're using that 48 hours to get the most of it, to learn how to use it, and then we will guide you through the process to be using that as well, long term. As you can see, nearly 3 o'clock, the market starts to move a little bit more now. New York with all their splendor now. Let's see what brings to us. Some few people on the live, let us know how you're doing. How was your day today? And
It's
if you're
good to hear
new,
from you guys.
if you're new, you want to join us, just scan the QR code or reach out to that number. You'll be able to book your call with us as well. And I will guide you step by step on the process to open your account. You don't need to worry.
Okay, we got any signals to close us out? No, 330 pips, 45.80 was hit.
Okay, Ian,
53 was hit.
that will be for Ian Khan.
Oh,
Nearly
look
2%.
at this man.
That's for you, Ian.
That's brilliant, Ian. So pleased for you. That's great.
Well done.
Yeah. Now just stick that in the compound calculator. And if you don't know how to do it, I'll show you. If you did that on a daily basis, and it's really funny because, it wasn't really happy. We had a conversation. I hope this mind, talking about this. And I said, look, you got to just work out what your discipline is, what your priorities are, what your goals are, and, where you want to be. And we can't do everything. Yeah, we can do anything, but we can't do everything. So you just got to make a decision that, prioritize trading. And if you can spend just 4 hours a day with us, you'll make money. Right? And then it'll give you the confidence to trade on your own without us. Nobody's walking you through trades like we are at this moment in time. Right? And we're proud of that because we wanted to bring this out to the community. And it's so pleasing to, have people like Ian making money on the day. That's what we want. Successful, profitable traders. Could be ugly trading. Yeah, it could be nasty trading, could be awful trading, but as long as you make money. Some days are beautiful. Right? Trading's absolutely beautiful. But other days, not so.
Today was so easy. Was pressing the button, book the profits. It was straightforward.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And just following. And the thing is, you don't have to think about this. You don't have to overthink it. Yeah. Buy, press the button. TP1, press the button. Sell.
Yeah.
It presses its own button. Right? And yeah. Keep it simple and you're absolutely fine. Start getting too clever with it. Start, doing your own thing. getting rid of your stop loss, going for TP55 all the time, you're going to get stuck. You are going to lose money. I guarantee you that.
Respect the market. The market is not your friend. You need to respect the market. And that's why we have the stop loss. That's why we're teaching you to book the profits, because the money is there to be made, but you need to follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you burn yourself, and we don't want that for anyone in the community.
Okay. Might be pushing upwards again.
It's pushing up again. It's last 10 minutes to 3 o'clock. And can't know me, I like 3 o'clock. As you can see, the movements on the market is not every day the same, but I really enjoy that time.
Yeah. Well, I'll just give you a little count up. As you know, I did some trading last night. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 profitable trades since last night. And then one last one that I'm in. And then as soon as that's done, I'm done for the day. Discipline, know when your business plan's fulfilled, be happy with it, take your money, and go. Come back tomorrow. I won't be trading tonight. I only trade on a Sunday night because I like to stay up, see what the market's doing, see where it's going, and take it from there. But you've got to develop your own habits, your own ways of working. What we've given you now is giving you probably the best signals trader in the country, and then we've given you machine learning signals. So if you come home at 1 o'clock in the morning, want to trade till 3, you can pull down signals and trade. Right? You work at your level, your time, not when we send the signals.
As you can see on the machine learning, on the guide, step by step, you have the time frame as well for good probability for the trades. 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. is getting great results. If you want to use that time frame as well, it's absolutely fine for you.
Well, statistically, that proved to be the best time to trade, 11 till 1.
Yeah. It's the Asia Open. Is sometimes you saw yesterday night.
Yeah.
You saw it.
So again, we're hitting that day's highs.
Yeah.
Market could climb quite easy to 4,600 from here. So let's have a look, see where we are on the hour. Less detail. 5 minutes, 15 minutes. There you go. So it's probably going for this now. 81 onto 88. There's 4,600, 4,613, 4,610.
Yeah.
That's why we love New York so much.
Yeah, the market leaves some clues. You just need to take those clues, and with the signals and machine learning, you'll be absolutely fine.
You'll be fine with anything as long as you follow the system, as long as you follow a plan. Yeah.
That's true.
We've got the formula now. This is the formula for success. Yeah. So this is my last trade of the day and a decent profit now. I think it was the 12th trade, I think I was saying today. Was it the 12th, Matthias?
I'm sorry?
Was it my 12th trade today's? There she goes.
Let's see.
So TP set, stop loss set, 30 pips above entry point. Free trade now.
He's breaking the 80, yeah.
Yeah.
He's just breaking the 80 now.
It's 83, Matthias.
Yeah, it just that 80 was pushing to the 80 all day long, and
it's above the pivot point.
We broke
so
that.
Go anywhere now.
Yeah.
And this is when you get your 200, 300 pips on a trade. Because you've got no worries that the entry point, the stop loss is above your break even, so you're gonna make profit regardless of what happens. So if you have some patience, you could stick around for 200, 300, 400, 500,000 pips. I think was it last week? I got a 700 pips or something. Something ridiculous, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And if it doesn't, you still got your 30, 40 pips.
That's it.
Nothing to worry about. Right, so I've made a decision now. I'm going to target 4,600. So that's in now.
It's nearly there.
Well, we've still got 180 pips to go, so I don't know about nearly. You're very optimistic.
From the
But realistically, it's got to clear all of this, right, to get to that. Oh no, sorry, it doesn't. Wow, I thought it was there. It's not. It's here. So it's only got to clear this.
It's a little bit now. Yeah. Look on the daily chart. So we came back from 44.80.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's the low, 44.80.
Yeah, 44.80. You can see straight away on trading view. Yeah, lowest point.
So I'm trailing my stop loss all the time now.
That's good, yeah.
Not getting too close.
Yeah, if you get too close, you know you will be, at some point, you'll be out. That's the only thing. If you can, like, keep some room, is good as well.
You need to keep 50, 60 pips, right? If you can't, then just take the trade off the table.
Money. just take the profits. If you cannot give like those kind of pips, around 100 pips, is no point to trailing that, because you will be taking out of that trade.
Yeah, I could get taken out now, but I've got 60, 70 pips, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Yep, done. Thanks very much. Nice profit for the day. I think it's coming back though. I think it's going to do the 46 today.
Yeah, and we'll have more signals.
Oh,
Few
100%. Yeah.
patience, you will see more signals. Otherwise, generate your signals, and then you can go for it as well.
Yeah, you have an option now, right?
Yeah, that's the best thing.
Mm.
But yeah, thank you very much for today, guys. I hope so. You booking your profits, learning how to move your stop loss, putting your stop loss on the first place as well. Don't leave the trades without stop loss, because we have been burned on the past before, because you don't put stop loss. Have some members doing that. That is the first thing. Place your trades, put your stop loss. Then you learn how to book profits, you learn how to move your stop loss or whatever you need to learn. But the first step is put your stop loss. Protect your
100%.
capital.
That's your first job. Well, I've got a call to make, and then another call to make. So thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow, bright and early at 8 a.m. Hope you had a profitable day. Hope it's been good. And we'll talk about other stuff, And if there's something you want to talk about, you don't want to do it on air, just give me a shout and I'll talk about it. Okay? Take care. All right, Matthias, have a lovely evening.
You too.
Bye now.
Bye for
Bye.
now.